Hi, it's Nicole from My Christmas, and we've had a lot of our customers ask us how we put ribbon in our trees. We did a beautiful Christmas in July tree at home that had lots of pieces of ribbon through the tree. So I thought, since we're dressing our new twist on Midnight Allure this week, that I would show you how you can do that. So first of all, whenever you're working with the ribbons, always make sure they're wired ribbon. It's not going to work if you don't have wired edges on your ribbons. These are 64mm wide ribbons, and then I've also used I think it's a 38mm wide ribbon. You could also use a 10cm if you wanted to. I wanted the ribbon in this case to be sort of even and a little bit softer, and I went with a narrow one of this because I just wanted a little pop of the black and white added to it to just change it up a tad. So I will put a recipe on there for how we do this tree. The tree you're going to see us dress is a 2.28 meter or 7.5 foot tree. We're only doing the front half of the tree. So if you're doing the entire tree, you're going to want to double your quantities, but we'll tell you exactly how many pieces we've got and that we do in here. So I have cut my ribbons to start with, and I've just started with 5 pieces of a 30cm long ribbon for the for the narrowest ribbon. And then I've also got some 40 and 50cm long pieces. And it's amazing what a difference just that 10cm makes to how it looks. And to put the ribbon on the tree, it's really simple. I cut my pipe cleaners in half. I find the pipe cleaners are easy for this job because you need something that you can easily see when you're working through the foliage. And we just pinch up the end of the ribbon, keep it as short as you can, which also means you need to keep your pipe cleaner as tight as possible. So I just twist it. So now I've got 2 pieces of pipe cleaner that can then grip around each of the branches I want to tie this piece of ribbon on. And we do this for each of the pieces of ribbon. At the end of the season, I'd highly recommend that you take it all apart. You might even want to iron it so that you can keep it flat and it'll look beautiful for the following year. All right, so we're going to just twist our ribbon, and that means we can attach the ribbon into the trees sort of with this nice curve happening. Same here, I've got a piece that I've done just in the 40cm, so just so you can see the difference between the two, you can already see what a difference that 10cm makes to the look of the piece. Okay, so let's show you how easy it is to put the ribbon into the tree. I've tied my ribbon with my pipe cleaners, and then we are going to simply attach it to one of the branches here, and then move it around to another branch. I like to have that sweep with the ribbon, so I just find a branch that works for me. In fact, I want it up a bit higher, so I'm going to go up here. And then I can just play with the ribbon to position it exactly as I want. So when we build the tree, and when you look at the time lapse, you'll see we're going to spread the ribbon out throughout the tree, and then we're going to continue to fill in until we've decided that we've got the density of ribbon that we want. So don't cut a heap of ribbon first, because you may not want a lot on your tree. Cut it in, say, 5 pieces at a time, and then you can build up from there. So on this blog post, you'll see and we'll share it on YouTube too, the number of pieces that we use and the lengths of each of those pieces for you.